Hi, we're gonna have a meeting for the global network after the COVID-19, and we will meet some like different or different industry, and we will see the new people, and we're gonna talk about the future life in Da Nang. And the praise and the company philosophy of this place, like there's like three this kind of like cafe and restaurant in one is Da Nang and then Nha Trang and Dalat. So the concept is like combine the nature. So they build their leaf tree, turn glow and going to down, and they planted so many leaves, and they use their material like nature material. So they also like use you can see the downstairs like still like they use in the older house to renew, and but they still keep the older house and set up like the table and the wood chairs. So here's their other floors. It's actually like amazing when this place has opened in last December, and like their plant is really growing up, and they have like big tree in the middle, and the tree is growing up a lot. Yeah, they also like put some tube surrounded this cafe area, and they drop the water, and they're really feeling the nature. Even like this place is located in the central of Da Nang and the middle of Da Nang. いい感じね。フォトジェニックな感じで。It's really photogenic. So I'm gonna have a meeting. So let's go. A few people are already in the meeting. We're gonna have a meeting soon. Yeah. Just like we generally finish the meeting of the. So we remember we're going to take a photo together.